Hello, this is Ken. I like making things. I enjoy being creative and love trying new tricks. My goal for this channel is to challenge myself and create fun stuff for myself. If you want to see me explore ideas and figure out ways to DIY a variety of stuff, click the subscribe button. Last week, I did a photo shoot with my War Greyman figure. Check it out if you haven't already. It is that time of the year again. The snowy season. And Christmas. This year it's a white Christmas. A Christmas tradition is to set up a Christmas tree, decorating it to make it look as extravagant as possible. I wanted my own Christmas tree as well. So, here's the plan. My tree will have 3 sections. A big yellow star at the top and some ornaments scattered throughout. This is the Christmas tree every kid ever wanted. I don't want mine 2D. I want mine 3D. Because I love 3D things. So I am just going to build it really quickly. I want the 3 sections. You may wonder why the triangles don't look symmetrical. It's because no kids can draw perfect triangles by hand. I still can't do it even as an adult. And of course, a cute little star at the top. Alright. So, can I make it? Here are all the pieces laid out. I am going to cut. And cut. More cut. Okay. This will take a while. Why not share my view on Christmas instead? So as a kid, I was told that on Christmas Eve, Santa carries his sack of toys, climbs into every chimney, through the fireplace and puts the presents under the Christmas tree. I never believed in Santa as far as I remember. It is because I lived in a high-rise building in a busy city as a kid. I may not be good at math, but how is Santa able to visit every apartment in one night? Especially when high-rises don't have chimneys or fireplaces. Does he use the elevator? That would take forever. That is why I never really believed in Santa. Okay, my parents actually didn't really try to maintain the illusion of Santa either. It is because as a kid, I always picked out my own Christmas present months before December. I would see the toy I want on a flyer and ask Mom if I could have it as my Christmas present. Mom often let me buy toys as an early Christmas present. Probably because she could tell how much I loved toys and couldn't bear seeing me get heartbroken when the toys became out of stock. Anyway, back to my tree. I have finished cutting. I am now just folding and gluing the pieces together. They may just be pyramids and rectangles, but they are actually a bit challenging to glue together. White glue works better when I use my fingers to press and hold the pieces together. But with this tree, it was a bit difficult to reach certain parts, so I have to rely on destiny. Hiya. Destiny was sort of on my side. The tree has successfully been glued together. You may notice that the tree is a bit lopsided. You don't judge a kid's drawing, so don't judge my tree. And now let me fold the star. And everything will come together. Oh no. My tree has fallen. Okay. Just like life. Everyone falls once a while. It's not about the fall, it's about standing back up. Like my tree here. As long as the end product is good, no one is going to remember the falls. Hiya. Here's my cute little star. It's so cute. Alright, time to paint this wobbly tree. I am just using dollar store acrylic paint. People may have their expensive Christmas trees, but my budget-friendly tree is going to be so much cuter than theirs. Okay. This paint isn't that great. It dries quite patchy and streaky. It requires a couple of coats and touch-ups for the paint to look even. It's okay, no one would know. Now let's paint the star as well. The lines are visible, but I think it adds to the 3D-ness of the star. So I'll leave it. And finally, the tree trunk. There we go. A basic-looking Christmas tree. Time to add details. Let me draw in those dangly lines. As a kid, I hated these dangly things. They were a pain to dangle nicely. They keep getting stuck on the tree. Bloop 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 bloop. Yay. It is looking like a Christmas tree. And now, the final touch. The star. It's perfect. It looks just like my drawing. A normal Christmas tree may cost hundreds of dollars and takes hours to set up for other people. Mine only costs $1 or so. And I can set up and put away my tree within seconds. Haha. What do you think about my Christmas tree? Let me know down below. Alright, this was a fun little project for me to do. Hope everyone had a nice Christmas. If you like what I've done, please share this video. Give this a like and subscribe for more DIY projects. I can make it, so can you.